You all are welcome for onlineaccounting.lk. So today we are going to start partnership accounts under the English medium accounting program. If the equity is 1000 and capital is 600, in a partnership equity means capital account plus what? Current account. So altogether these two, it would be how much? 1000 equity of a partnership business. Right. Then not only that, sometimes, so our practice is only for putting capital and current account. So in like company question, you know there are reserves. As an example, general reserve, something like that. In a partnership also there could be what? Reserves. If they don't say about the interest rate, we have to use how much? Interest rate as 5% for partners loans. Who is going to give these instructions? Again, 1890 partnership ordinance. Even loan interest is not there for a partner loans, we have to take it how much? 5%, keep it in mind. This will be useful once we are doing. We have discussed about profit appropriation, then how the impact for the current account from the profit appropriation, then what should be the treatment once you paid the salaries for the partners and all we have discussed. As well as that, we have already discussed one question from the partnership accounts, including the statement of financial position. So today we are going to move for one of the most important area in this partnership accounts. That's the goodwill adjustment. Right. So that's the question number 6. Then use this question number 6 knowledge and can you come for question number 7. So basically